Are you looking to transcribe your videos but don't want to spend hours doing it yourself? If so, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you how you can quickly, easily and automatically transcribe your videos with 99% accuracy. And make sure you stick around to the end, as I'll be sharing my top resource for transcribing your videos for free. Hey, Matt Holmes here from V8 Video Academy, where I help business owners and entrepreneurs to build their business, brand and audience online with video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, and everything I mention in today's video will be linked in the description below. So with all that said, let's jump right into it. Now you might be wondering why on earth you want to transcribe your videos into text in the first place. Well, one of the main reasons I use it is to repurpose my videos onto my blog. So I'll have a video embedded on my blog post, and below that there'll be a word for word transcript of the video. This is particularly useful for SEO or search engine optimization, as it allows Google and other search engines to understand what that web page is all about. There's a wide range of transcription services available online, and they range in price, accuracy and how quickly they deliver the transcript to you. So in this video I'm going to be covering both paid and free options. So let's start with my two favourite paid transcription services. Now the first is rev.com, which is the most expensive option that I use, but it's also the most accurate because real people do the transcribing rather than robots or computers. Rev.com charge $1 per minute of finished video, and it's 99% accurate. This is the service that I use for client projects most of the time, particularly as they have a super fast turnaround time. They say 12 hours, but quite often I receive the completed transcript within just a couple of hours. So to use rev.com, just create a free account, choose their transcription service. You can then either upload a video or audio file from your computer, or copy and paste a link to your video on YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, or wherever your video is available to view. Rev will then round up the total number of minutes your video's duration is and give you a total price. They also have options for timestamping and verbatim for an additional cost, but I never use these myself. If you feel these will be useful to you though, by all means use them. Then what we need to do is give the project a reference name, which is optional but helpful, and finally just check out, pay and wait for your transcription to be delivered. When your transcript is ready, you can go through and make any edits required in Rev's online editor. Then you can download it in Microsoft Word, PDF or plain text formats. The next paid service I use is Temi.com. Now Temi is an automated transcription service, so it's not as accurate as rev.com, but it's only 10 cents a minute rather than $1 a minute, so it's much cheaper. And I find that it's still around 90% accurate. Their delivery is pretty quick too. I generally find that depending on the length of the video that I want transcribing, it's delivered within about 5 to 10 minutes. Your first transcription with Temi is completely free no matter how long your video is. You just need to enter your email address so that they can deliver your transcript to you once it's finished. And like rev.com, you can either upload a video directly to Temi or copy and paste a link to your video. Temi will then round up the total number of minutes in your video and give you a total price. If you need to transcribe multiple videos, you can do that by copying and pasting more URLs or uploading additional videos. Once you're happy, just check out, pay and wait for your transcripts to be delivered. Again, like rev.com, Temi has its own online editor where you can make any required changes to the transcript if there are any errors in there, and then download it in Microsoft Word, PDF or plain text formats. So they're my two favourite paid transcription services. And now for my favourite free option. This one is called Otter.ai. Now like Temi, Otter.ai is an automated transcription service. So the accuracy isn't as good as rev.com, and I find it's not quite as accurate as Temi.com. But for a free option, it's really good. I find it's around 80 to 90% accurate most of the time, which for a free tool is pretty amazing. You'll just need to spend a few minutes once you've got your transcript back from Otter.ai to correct any errors. So to create your transcript with Otter, just head on over to Otter.ai, create a free account, and once you're logged in, you'll see a couple of options on the right hand side of your screen. Start recording and import audio video. If you click import audio video, you can upload a video or audio file directly from your computer. Wait for it to upload, then it will be a couple of minutes processing your video, and when it's ready you can click on the file in your dashboard and see the transcript. Once again, you can edit the transcript in Otter's online editor, and when you're ready, export the transcript in text file, PDF or clipboard formats. I recommend sticking with a text file or PDF, and I also turn off all the options listed below the file name, as I never have any use for these. Then just click continue and your transcript will be downloaded to your computer. Another great thing about Otter.ai is that they have a free mobile app that's available on Apple and Android phones. And you can do exactly the same thing with these apps that you can do on a desktop computer. Upload an audio or video file and create a transcript. So that's my top picks for both paid and free transcription services. Let me and the V8 Video Academy community know in the comments section below what your experience is with these tools and any other tools that you've come across. Again, I've left links to everything we've covered in this video in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.